Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel, Everyday Eats. Have you ever craved that rich, creamy, and incredibly flavorful chicken handi you get at your favorite restaurant and wished you could make it at home? Well, today is your lucky day because I am going to show you how to master this iconic dish right in your own kitchen. And trust me, it's easier than you think. We're talking tender, juicy chicken pieces simmered in a luscious aromatic gravy that will have everyone asking for seconds. First things first, let's prep our ingredients. The secret to a great handi is the fresh spice blend and the creamy base. We'll start by marinating our chicken with some yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and a few basic spices. This step is crucial because it makes the chicken super tender and infuses it with flavor from the inside out. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, but if you have more time, an hour or two will make it even better. While the chicken is marinating, we'll prepare our special handi masala. We're going to dry roast some whole spices like coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and a couple of red chilies. Roasting them unlocks their essential oils and gives our dish that authentic restaurant-quality aroma. Once they're fragrant, we'll grind them into a coarse powder. This freshly ground masala is the game changer, I promise you. Now, for the main event. Heat up some ghee or oil in a handi or a deep pot. We'll sort some finely chopped onions until they're golden brown. Then, in go our pureed tomatoes. Cook this mixture until the oil starts to separate. This is the sign of a well-cooked base. Now, it's time to add our marinated chicken and the freshly ground handi masala we just made. Give it a good mix, coating every piece of chicken with that beautiful spice blend. Cook it on high heat for a few minutes to sear the chicken. Then, lower the heat, cover the pot, and let it simmer. Let the chicken cook in its own juices and the spices. After about 15 minutes, you'll see the magic happening. The gravy will thicken, and the aroma will fill your kitchen. To finish it off and get that signature creamy texture, we'll stir in some fresh cream and a sprinkle of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Cook for just another 2 minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander and ginger juliennes, and there you have it. Perfect restaurant-style chicken handi, ready to be served with hot naan or rice. It looks absolutely divine. Thank you so much for cooking along with me today. I hope you give this recipe a try and impress your family and friends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss another delicious recipe. Let me know in the comments how your chicken handi turned out. Until next time, happy cooking!